how to buy BAOBAO token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token, it's available on MEXC. Now, before going out by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community. As you can see, they have 471 members there. Now, first of all, open a new window and you can access to your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account in MEXC to benefit from yours. Now, after that, what you need to do, click here in the search bar and type like that, BAO. Now, after that, select that pair that have USDT. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. So what you need to do here, just click don't show this again and click on accept. Now what you need to do, just here you can type how much you want to buy of that token. So using the USDT that you have on your account, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. Or you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token. Now after that, click on buy this BAOBAO token. In about a few seconds, a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your account. So this is how to buy BAOBAO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.